Are you wondering if YouTube TV requires a cable subscription? In this video, I'm going to break it all down for you and explain whether you need cable to enjoy YouTube TV. If you're thinking about cutting the cord, you'll want to hear this. No, YouTube TV does not require a cable subscription. It's designed specifically as a cable replacement for cord cutters. All you need to get started is a compatible device, like a smart TV, streaming stick, or mobile phone, and a reliable high-speed internet connection. YouTube TV streams live TV and on-demand content directly over the internet, so there's no need for a traditional cable box, satellite dish, or prior cable subscription. In fact, one of the biggest advantages of YouTube TV is its flexibility. You can access popular channels like ESPN, CNN, ABC, NBC, and more without ever signing up for cable. Plus, YouTube TV offers features like unlimited DVR storage and the ability to stream on multiple devices simultaneously, which many traditional cable services don't provide. If this video helped you understand that YouTube TV doesn't require a cable subscription, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.